Yan. Nagiyak na po kay manamnam na siya. Ang aming 4 months old. Ayan o. Pinapalamig pa ni mama ang kanyang pagkain. Wait lang, boy. Oh, excited na siya. Yan na po ang kanyang food. Potato and rice.
Manamnam.
Oh, yan na. Yan na. Yan, excited na siya. Yan na, first bite. First bite. First bite.
TV.
Labang tissue po. Labang tissue po.
Nag-iit si Eli.
Nasaan na yung bib niya na ano?
Mandan. Huwag na yan. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy ang food ng bata. Again.
Ooh.
Very good. Very good mag-tira. Hello, Ate B. Hello, Ate. Yummy. Is that yummy, my love?
Ang galing niya mag-eat. Ang aming 4 months old na baby si Eli.
Mama, love. There you go. Yummy. Very yummy naman ang
Yummy yun?
baby. Very yummy.
Rice and potato? Wow.
It's yummy, Dada. I like it so much. Do you like it? Oh, you like it more than the banana?
I think he like it.
You like it more than the banana.
Ooh. Yummy? Yummy yun?
The very
Yummy.
good ng baby na yan.
Yummy yun.
Very good one. Mag-eat yan at sweetie pie ni mama.
Mama, I'm waiting.
Wait. Wait, just empty your mouth because
Mainit.
no, it's not. Again, my love. Not like that, sweetie pie. Yeah, wag mo ilalabas ang tang mo.
Ooh. Yummy? Is that yummy?
Yeah, it is.
Oh. Oh. Yummy.
Mag-eat, very good. Very good mag-eat ang baby. You like potato. You like potato and rice.
Lating siya sa
You
camera.
like potato and rice, my love. Ay,
Oh,
very good.
grabe.
Very good
Yummy.
talaga yan mag-eat.
Is that yummy?
Very good talaga. Again. Again, open your mouth, my sweetie pie.
Oh.
There you go. Very good. You are doing a good job, sweetie pie. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? You go again. Again, my love, open your mouth. Again, another one. There you go. Is it yummy? It's yummy.
Ooh,
Yummy.
yummy.
It's yummy. It's yummy, man. Enough na, my love. I think you eat a lot already. It's yummy. It's yummy one. Oh, can I borrow this one? We're just gonna wipe your mouth. Oh, wipe. Oh, no, not the one. It's just sweetie pie, this one. Oh, no, that's not a food. This one is the food. Yummy in my belly. It's so yummy in Eli's belly. Here you go. There you go, my love. You're such a good boy. You're doing good job. Again. Oh, no, not your thumb, my love. Opo, you're done? Okay, okay. This is the last one.
Ano lang siya
Okay, that's the last one.
Okay.
Oh, 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 no, oh, no. Oh, no, mala.
Okay. Ganap na po. After eating guys, ano siya? Oh. Tulog na po siya. Oh. Oh, bagsak.